hello to all my friends out there. And so now it's time to start eating the stockpile. And if you're new to stockpiling, you might be saying, what does that even mean? Well, what I'm going to be doing is cooking the stockpile to show you how I do it. You can do it any way you want it. Okay, I am making a sausage sandwich. This will make about 4 nice sandwiches, so the sausage is 25 cents each, and I season the sausage with salt, crushed red pepper, black pepper, then I put mustard on toast, and I'm brewing some chai tea. I like to brew it, I just heat the water in the microwave 5 minutes, 2 cups, and then I put 2 bags of tea in the pan, and I leave it on warm on the stove here for a little while until it brews. And what I did is I bought a sample box of tea from 99 cents only, and it has all my teas that I really love. Mint tea, you know, I have to have that. Peach tea, ginger tea, jasmine tea, and chai tea. And then, you know, the other teas are good too, but those are my favorites. So, okay, I want to mention my burger maker. Okay, so what I do is I just put, say I cut my sausage and I flatten them out so that they fit on my 1.5 pieces of bread. These are good. Okay, I'm going to the healthy grain now, and I'm not suffering any hardship doing it either. I keep everything in the freezer. That's why my freezer is a disaster. Okay, so for lunch, I like a meat sandwich or a meat and cheese sandwich. I've been eating that way for years, and I thought, why change that? And in my chai tea, one of the followers told me, French vanilla, coffee creamer, and cinnamon. So I buy these for $1 at Dollar Tree or 99 cents only. Not cheap mustard that I don't like. Okay, so for lunch, some kind of meat or meat and cheese sandwich. Okay, and so now I want to eat my leftovers. So life doesn't have to be miserable. You know, I want to cook some of my stuff up, but I don't want to be miserable while I'm doing it. I don't like to be miserable. Okay, so I'm using up my crackers. Remember my little box that was really like a little stockpile? Okay, I know I have some various crackers in there. So I bought this hummus. I paid $5 for this hummus, but this is good stuff, and you know, hummus goes forever, ever and ever and ever. So, wow, ooh, pine nuts are good. Okay, so am I going to be suffering? Not happening, not suffering. Okay, so I'm going to eat my crackers, and I bought this peach tea some time ago, and it doesn't go bad. It's been in the refrigerator a long time, but that's okay. Today is the day. Okay, now, today, let's see, I will whip up a little batch of homemade bread. And, you know, one of the reasons it never occurred to me to run out of bread is because I just happened to stockpile flour. I bought this at Dollar Tree. I bought, they come, no, 99 cents only. It's 2 pounds. And then, you know, I store yeast quite a bit. So it's I just didn't think about running out of bread. Running out of bread is bad. How do you make a sandwich? And then for the sugar, I just stockpiled 10 pounds. So the issue of sugar is pretty much a non-issue. The issue of bread is pretty much a non-issue. Okay, so tonight I know I have to have probably mashed potatoes, which will work no hardship on me because I'll have bread, some kind of gravy, and some kind of mashed potatoes. Okay, I want to show you something. This is the River Jordan, and I have a hobby, and what I do is I laminate things like this and I make them into bookmarks. Maybe some of you have never seen it. A very famous river in the Christian religion. A lot of miracles can come out of this. The living water is always present for all of us. Okay, now, somebody bought 3 pounds of apples, and you know, I am not the most fruit-eating person I ever made, but that is fine because I am a strudel-eating person. So, I had a little package of walnuts, and I was going to put them in my pancakes, and I thought, no, I don't think so. I think they need to be going into my strudel. I saved them in the freezer, and then I stockpile raisins, and also, I don't know if I can locate it real quick, if I can. Oh, I can. Okay, what I started buying, and I will use this in my strudel, this is raw brown sugar. I bought this for 79 cents, and I just grate it. And if you get some of this somehow, and you start cooking with it, you know, I made my oatmeal with that, and that was very, very delicious. So, okay, rule 2, enjoy life. Have to. So I will be cooking up my stockpile for a few months to show you what I do with it after I stockpile it. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.